Do you want to see something exciting? This new money-saving trick will show you how to patch a bike inner tube without a patch kit using hot glue. And it'll work with trailers, RVs, or anything with an inner tube. And what's the verdict? After patching a tube on a bicycle, pumping it up to 60 psi, and riding around on it, we gotta say it works great. So, just for sticking around, we've got a little trick that will make your hot glue patches bond even better. So here we go.
What you do is you find your hole in the tube. There it is right there. And you cut out a patch to fit that area. Here, I cut one out already. And then you take your patch and the hole, and you clean around it with some sandpaper. I've already cleaned around it a little bit. So you just want to get rid of all the excess old glue and adhesive and stuff. And then same with the patch. This is just another piece of a different inner tube that recycled. So once you get those cleaned up, then all you gotta do is apply the hot glue around the hole. And then if you're really fast, you can apply the patch, but that seldom works. This is seldom any good. Now that that's applied, the real trick is you got to set it with an iron. You turn the iron up to 5 or 6, the cotton setting. You put a piece of paper over it to protect your iron. And then you just want to press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. And that's it. Peel the paper off and throw it away. And just wait 5 or 10 minutes. That will set up nice. I might have to come back and put a little more onto the side. If it's not complete, just add some more hot glue under it and do it again. You want to make sure that it's leak proof, so add as much hot glue as you want. Try it again. It helps to lay down some aluminum foil or something to protect the area you're working in. Great. That should do it right there.